Name of 5 birds. Look here. This is a crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. This is a peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. This is a sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. This is a cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. This is a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Okay, so before going to the next, we will be repeating all the names again. Okay, repeat with me, children. C-R-O-W. Crow. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. C-O-C-K. Cock. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. I hope, children, you have understood the name of 5 birds, isn't it? Yay! Do practice. Till then, take care and we will be meeting you into our next class. Ta-da!